Hello, Miss Holly's class. I'm happy to see you today. I want everybody to start with our normal hug. So everybody give yourself a good tight squeeze. I know y'all know how to do this now. We've been doing it every day. Oh, that feels so good to Miss Holly. Okay, now we're gonna start with our pledge. Everybody stand up. Have y'all been doing this at home? I hope you've been doing this at home and practicing your pledge. You are so good at it. Okay, what are we supposed to do? Yeah, put our hand on our heart. You ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job. Even though we're having school at home, I still want it to be like it is when we go to school. So, we always want to say our pledge. Now, does anybody remember what month it is? It's the same month. That's right, April. And April starts with what letter? The letter A. So, today is, I want everyone to say Monday. Monday. And then our number today for the day, it's about halfway down here. Pointer's still going. Stop. Does anybody know what number this is? It's a 1 and a 3. 13. So it's Monday, April the 13th. So we're going to count to 13. Are you ready? Count with Miss Holly. Start with the number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job, Miss Holly's class. 13. Okay, well, we are going to do our Days of the Week song, and I think we're just going to clap today. Are you ready? So here we go. Days of the week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job, Miss Holly's class. Now we'll do the months of the year. So let's see, how does that start? Does anybody remember how that starts? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. One more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. Yay, give yourself a clap. Good job. Okay, a little review today. I can't remember, I think we did this last week, but we usually do this, so we're going to play our shape game. Let's see how many you can get right. I want to hear you saying these shapes. Okay, remember, if you get it right, you get a point. If you get it wrong, Miss Holly gets the point. So, here we go. Easy, easy, easy. First shape is heart. Next one, did you say square? Oh, this is a little bit of a hard one. You can do it though. Think about it. Octagon. Star. Triangle. Oval. You got this one. Circle. Did you say diamond? Good. Okay. This is a hard one. You can do it. Trapezoid. Yay, Miss Holly's class. And the last one is rectangle. I know y'all did awesome. You're so smart. Okay. Miss Holly's going to get out her numbers real quick. I'm not going to do them in order. So it's going to be a little bit harder. This is the number that we learned last week. Does anybody remember what number this is? The number 9. And 6. How are you doing? 8. Some of you are this old. 4. You're getting so big. 2. Oh, this is a big number. We're going to learn about this one today. 10. Uh-oh, it's always stuck. Okay. 7. Let's see, did I already do this one? We already do this one? 6. I might have done that one twice. 1. 5. And our last number, everybody say it, is the number 3. Some of you are still 3, but soon we'll be having a birthday. Because Holly needs to look and see who's having birthdays this month. If any of you having a birthday this month, if you are, happy birthday. Okay. So we've reviewed our shapes and we've reviewed our numbers. And so we're going to get started on the number for today, our new number. And Miss Holly already told you what it was. Do you remember? The number 10. You have 10 fingers. The number 10. So you should have a paper that looks like this. If not, you can just write out the number 10. Your mom and dad could probably draw that. The number 10. And so what we're going to do is we're going to watercolor today. So if you have watercolors, I want you to get those out and get out your watercolors. We haven't watercolored at home yet. And then you'll need, remember, you'll need a little bit of water. So you'll have your paintbrush, your paints, your waters, and we're just going to watercolor the number 10. And y'all remember how to do this? Miss Holly would always tell y'all you have to do water, then paint, and then your paper. Because you can't just do paint. It won't show up. So you have to do water, paint, paper. So I want anybody, y'all can just start watercoloring. I'm going to start with the number 1 over here. And if you need time, if you need more time, like Miss Holly always says, you can always just pause the video. And then when you're all ready, then just hit play again. So I'm just going to make mine, I think, all different colors. When I paint blue or color blue, I always think about Sims. He loves blue. And then I'm going to start on my 0. Because 1 and 0 together makes 10. How are you doing? Almost finished. This is looking really pretty. Okay. Just a little bit more. And like I said, if you need more time, that's okay. Oh, look, I'm done. How do y'all think Miss Holly did? How does that look to you? Pretty good? All right. Put my paintbrush up, close that up. All right. So we have our number 10. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my glue bottle. If you don't have a glue bottle, you can use your glue stick, but you would need to let your paint dry first. So I'm going to do 5 dots of glue. 3, 4, 5 on that side. And then I'm going to do 5 on this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dots on each side. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then I'm just going to take just some paper, just scrap paper, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How's that look? And there's your number 10. I think that's going to look great on your mom's refrigerator. Hang it up for her to see. All right. So there's your number 10. Then I have another paper, and that paper says 10 stamps. Now on this paper, you could do 10 stickers. You could do anything you would want to. You could just glue on 10 things. But if you have 10 stamps, if you have a stamper, Miss Holly has a stamp, and I have a ladybug stamp like this. So some of you might have stamps, and you'll need a little stamp pad or paint. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 10 stamps. Only 10. I'm not going to go over. I want 10, so we have to count as we're doing this. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to, with my stamp, and I put on paper, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What stamp did Miss Holly do? Ladybugs. I did a ladybug stamp. So 10 stamps. That goes along with our number 10. I think that looks pretty. All right. Then our next page, we're going to write the number 10. We always write our number. And this one's going to be easy. We're going to do a 1 and a 0. So we have lots of green, lots of red. But it says on your paper, on the left, you make a 1, a straight line 1. It is fun. Make a 0. Now you're done. For the 0, you make a big loop, just like so. This is the way to make a 0. So I want you to get any color marker you want to. I'm going to get purple. I'm going to start on the green dot because green means go, red means stop. We're going to hold our marker the right way, hold it like we're supposed to, and we're going to say, we're going to make a straight line. Ready? Do it with Miss Holly. Green to red. Stop. And then we're going to make a circle. Green all the way around. Stop. And that's how you write the number 10. So let's do the rest of them together. Down. And then around. Stop. Down. Stop. Around. Stop. Down. Stop. Around. Stop. Look at that. The number 10. I know y'all did such a good job on that. Okay, so we have our 3 things that we did on the number 10. Now, Miss Holly, I have a story I'm going to read to you, and this is about 10 little fish to go with our number. Okay, 10 little fish. Uh-oh, where's the beginning? Here we go. 10 little fish swimming in a line. One dives down, and now there are, how many do we know? 9. 9 little fish swimming around a crate. One goes in, and now there's only 8. 8 little fish swimming towards heaven. One jumps up, and now there are, does anybody know? 7. 7 little fish swimming through sticks. One gets lost, and now there are, 6. 6 little fish swimming to survive. One likes to hide, and now there are 5. 5 little fish swimming by the shore. One grabs a snack, and now there are 4. 4 little fish swimming out to sea. One makes a friend, and now there are how many fish? 3. 3 little fish swimming in the blue. One waves goodbye, and now there's only, how many do y'all see? 2. 2 little fish swimming in the sun. One takes a nap, and now there's only, how many fish? 1. 1 little fish. What will he do? Along comes another fish, and that makes, how many? 2. 2 little fish in love with each other. Soon one is a father and the other is a mother. But mother and father don't count this time. Just 10 little fish swimming in a line. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was a good story. Okay, well, that was our number 10. So on Wednesday, we are going to have a review day, and we're going to be learning about different numbers and reviewing some of our numbers. And so I hope that you have a great day today, and I want you to know that Miss Holly loves you and I miss you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.